Okay guys, hello, what's up guys? Welcome back with me, Spetinity in another video guys. Okay, by the way, my name is Edward Sifali for those who don't know well. Okay, let's just get started, okay? So, in in this video, I'm gonna continue working on my G20 steer, okay, BMW G20 steer. And yeah, okay, we already found the, if you guys watch my previous part, you know that we already found the the steer model, the actual steer model, not this, okay, but the actual steer model right here. I don't know why this also a steer, but yeah, never mind. So yeah, I just noticed, but this is the mesh, okay, so this is the one that will be rotated. Okay, so yeah, let's just do it. Okay, so I will just drag this out of the body to here, actual G20. Wait, this is so many, bro. We gonna unparent this, bro. Why this so long, man? Okay, okay, let's just G play right here, and then as you can see, I will create another empty right here. I will create empty, then steer. Okay, so this is the real visual steer, and then I will just parent this. Wait, I will just unparent this, and it should already copy the rotation, and then I will wait. I will create. I will drag the steer off this. Wait, let me see. Where is that steer thingy? Yeah, that is here, and then I will drag this all the way to here, and then to here, like this, and then wait, let me just see at let me just rotate this 0 0 0 to, yeah, 0 0 0, and I will just rotate the x-axis from the x-axis. Okay, I will rotate like this. Okay, so yeah, we get uh, the same gradient right here. I don't know what the slope, I think is slope called. That's called the slope, I think. Yeah. The while, like in Indonesian it says kemiringan, but yeah, okay, never mind. So we just got that, and then we drag it all the way to here, the logo, and then yeah, like that, and boom, we already done the steer. Okay, let's just close that, and let's just scale 1 just for sure, and then we drag this to the parent of this. Nice, finally. So when we rotate this, wait, let me just rotate that around the z-axis, I think. Yeah, z-axis. See, it's rotating like, yeah, like it's steering, guys. Okay, so yeah. So now let's just test that out. Wait, let me just let this game over in the game over tab. And what the hell, bro? Okay, now let's just test this out, guys. And okay, one more thing I want to okay, I think I will do this in part 2, guys. Okay, but in the next video I'm also gonna work on this model, G20 model. I'm gonna move the camera, okay, move the camera, the the first person camera, because if you notice at my if you watch my previous videos, you might know that the first person camera of the G20, when I hit the first person mode while driving, and the BMW G20, the first person camera just look back. Okay, then yeah, we will gonna fix that later by just moving the first person camera position. Okay guys, so that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.